How to fix QuillBot not working in Google Chrome. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for QuillBot.com. And if the website is not working, then firstly, try to reload the page and see if that fixes the issue. You can tap on the reload button on top toolbar, or you can simply press Ctrl R on your keyboard. If the issue persists, restart Chrome. Close Google Chrome and reopen it after a while and see if that fixes your issue. If not, in QuillBot itself, tap on your profile icon on the top right of your screen and then tap on the Contact Us option. You will be required to enter your name, email, and message. So fill in the required details, and while drafting the message, make sure to draft the message clearly with proper reason on why you are sending the message. QuillBot support team will further help you fix your issue. This issue might also occur if your Google Chrome is not updated, so go ahead and tap on the three dots on the top right of your screen and then tap on the settings option from the menu that appears. Further, tap on the About Google Chrome option and Chrome will automatically check for updates. Install them if available. Also, restart the browser. Next, sometimes cached data causes compatibility issues, so in Settings itself, tap on Privacy and Security from the left side toolbar and then tap on the Delete Browsing Data option. Select Cached Images and Files and Cookies and Other Site Data and then tap on the Clear Data option, and your QuillBot should be working just fine by now. So, this is how you can fix QuillBot not working in Google Chrome. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.